and me are going to get ready together to go nowhere. I'm actually getting ready after I've come back from the clinic.
Oh, hi.
Just to shoot this video, just for the sake of this video.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Chuma, just for fun, just get ready with me and listen to what I'm saying, because today we are going to be busting a lot of myths. So let's get into the video. எல்லா பியூட்டி vloggers பண்ணுற மாதிரி நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு I'll just apply some lip balm. It's really tasty. You only need to go to the dentist if your teeth hurt. என்னோட வீடியோஸ் 2-3 வீடியோஸ் பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். நான் வந்து I always keep saying that prevention is better than cure. Look for preventing something than curing, because என்ன அப்படின்னா teeth பொறுத்த வரைக்கும், if you start doing something, if a treatment is started, like if a problem has started, it will keep cropping up. ஒரு treatment முடிஞ்சதுன்னா you can't really think that, oh okay fine, I'm done with this. No, that's not the case. If you leave the infection for so long, also saving stage தாண்டி it will go to removal of the teeth. And again, as I said, எவ்வளோ expensive treatments பண்ணாலும் natural teeth வந்து அந்த பொசிஷனில் வச்சுக்கிறது, it's always the best. நான் ரொம்ப படிக்கிறேன் ஆக்சுவலாக.
Oh my god!
ஸோ நான் ரொம்ப அப்படியே படித்து கிழிச்சு நிறைய எக்ஸ்டென்சிவான டார்க் சர்க்கிள்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு cover my sad story and cover my life with this concealer. Okay, so the next one is flossing can create spaces between your teeth. How can flossing create space between your teeth? Just think logically, okay? Logically யோசிச்சீங்கன்னா clip-னு அப்படின்னு ஒரு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இருக்குது, ரைட்? braces. So this braces treatment people undergo for 1.5 to 2 years, okay? They undergo that for 1.5 to 2 years for the teeth to be able to move and come to a certain position, okay? And if you know what flossing is, floss is a string, okay? And I don't really understand how a string of floss, if you put it between two teeth, it will start creating gaps. No, it can't. So நீங்களே லாஜிக்கலாக யோசிச்சு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you'll know that it's not really possible. If that was the case, then பாவம் ஏன் எல்லாரும் கிளிப் போட்டு கஷ்டப்படுறாங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. Okay, am I looking a little too greasy? But it's called dewy, right? Okay, so now let's get into some eyeshadow. I'm really bad at eyeshadow and all. எனக்கு பெருசாக போட வராது, but I'm just trying. Milk teeth is more important actually, because growing stageலே வந்து if you detect any problems in your milk teeth, you can avoid permanent damage to your adult teeth. And milk teeth வர பொசிஷன், எந்த பொசிஷனில் அது வெளியே வருது, அது வரதுக்கு இடம் இல்லைன்னா then it will start erupting in some other position. And then assessing all that at a very early age is very important, because all of that determines the position of the permanent teeth and also the condition of the permanent teeth. இப்போ ஒரு milk teeth infect ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா, சொத்த வயசு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா infect ஆயிருக்குன்னா, if the infection goes deep, it will affect the permanent teeth, because the permanent teeth lies straight under the milk teeth that is present. So all of this is very important. அதனால தான் வந்து even children, you have to take them to regular dental checkups. If I actually have a video about when you should take your child to the dentist for the first time, and if you have not watched it, you can check it out. Self plug, the self plug will be here or here, I don't know where. The next myth is about brushing at any time of the day is okay. When you go to sleep, the production of saliva is very, very less. So saliva's main action is actually to flush out all the bacteria that is actually stuck on your teeth. And night time salivary production is very less. Okay, now it's all a cycle. That's why we ask you to brush at night and sleep, because saliva oda action வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கும். அதனால நீங்களே வந்து ஒரு adjunct-ஆ வந்து brush பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, whatever you ate throughout the day will be gone. It will not be stuck on the teeth. It will be minimal acid production. When you get up in the morning, your mouth will be dry. You would have noticed that, right? That is because salivary production, salivary glands la secrete ஆகிறது வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கும். Brushing as soon as you get up is also very important, and tongue cleaning is also, very important. The next one is this myth about diet sodas. So now diet sodas, they say that it's only mentioned as it's diet sodas because they say that it doesn't contain cavity causing sugars in them, but of course if it's soda then it'll have sugar. So even if the diet sodas don't have a lot of sugar in them, the pH of a diet soda is very less, and it means that ரொம்ப acidic இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். Acidity அதிகமா இருக்கும்போது when you keep having it, of course it will promote formation of bacteria, because inside the mouth the bacteria that are already present love acids. Okay, so when you keep having these diet sodas, also a lot of people sip them throughout the day. ஒரேடியா குடிச்சு முடிக்காம they keep sipping it. So when you keep sipping it throughout the day, it's even more dangerous, and you're actually promoting decays. Okay, so the next myth says oral health is not connected to your body. Again, it's false, because இப்போ நாங்க வந்து படிக்கும்போது we actually had a separate subject that's called as oral pathology. Oral pathology la வந்து they talk about these oral diseases. Okay, so அதோட symptoms and manifestations எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்கல்ல. So இப்போ ஒரு டிசீஸ் இருக்குன்னா அந்த டிசீஸ் வந்து எப்படி எங்க ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இட்ஸ் த ஹோல் சப்ஜெக்ட். ஸோ ஒருத்தங்களுக்கு வந்து சுகர் இருக்கு, டயபெட்டிஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா their bone health will be compromised, because when sugar levels keep fluctuating, it's connected to your bone quality and bone health. And then again, gum diseases, all of these are connected. Second thing is cancer. So cancer வந்து many different types of cancer present in different ways on your tongue. So all of these of course mean that there is connection between oral health and your body. So the next myth enna appadina, my teeth are unhealthy because I'm aging. Aging is not the primary factor for your teeth to become unhealthy. If you had not taken care of your teeth from the young age, of course kandipa there'll be a lot of problems in your old age, and but சின்ன வயசுலேயும் நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் கண்டிப்பாக வரும். ஜெனட்டிக்காக ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா, ஆர் even in general, there are people who are in their 20s and 30s and still experience a lot of dental decays and then a lot of gum problems, so age-ங்கிறது வந்து it's not really a determining factor for your health. So yeah, so I think all the myths that I've collected are done, and இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சது இதோட. So I'm just trying to experiment with the type of content I'm making. So if you like this kind of chill but informative video, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one.